Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica. An absolutely monster of a vehicle is about to embark on the full Cambridge car audio treatment. This one is going to be absolutely mega. Enjoy.
Doing this and don't forget to like, subscribe, enjoy the rest of the video.
That is the install complete. Honestly, I don't even know where to start on this system. I mean, from where this Huracan Tecnica came into us with the current stock sound system to where we are now is just bonkers difference. So I just want to walk you through spec and then also kind of what we've done on the vehicle. So let's start off with something about the custom work that we've done here. So we've got the custom sub box between the two seats. One of my probably favorite designs, and we've gone to a whole nother level on this one. So what we've got on this rear compartment, obviously before you had the little shelf here, which you probably couldn't really store much on there anyway. What we've done is built a fully custom amp rack, but also sub enclosure and rear speaker enclosure. So this vehicle didn't have rear speakers. All it had was tweeters on top of the dash and mid basses in the door, and that was it. No sub, no rear speakers, and no amplification. So firstly, rear speakers. We've gone for the Audison Prima coaxial design. Just sits in behind the actual factory grills on the left and right hand side. Gives a little bit of rear fill, and that's a coaxial design. But the big thing is this, which is the 10-inch Hertzmine Pro shallow mounted sub. So we've added in the 10-inch sub into this vehicle. Looks absolutely incredible. This is a custom design that we've done. We've designed this all in-house, fabricated it all in-house. We've got the grill there. We've actually got the Huracan Tecnica logo, which is actually made onto the grill area. We've also got the carbon fiber panel built into that area as well, with the retention of the USB ports, and we've embossed the Cambridge car audio logo in there as well. It looks absolutely fantastic in here. The big thing about this system as well, that we've actually matched the material from the Huracan Tecnica perfectly with the Alcantara that we're using on the back shelf. So it all just blends in so perfectly on this interior. It just looks absolutely bonkers, and it sounds absolutely fantastic, which you will hear later on. But that in essence is the custom sub enclosure. Looks really cool, and like, I'm 6 foot, I'm sitting in the vehicle, perfect driving position. I've not lost too much space in here. It really does make a difference, and it adds that lots and lots of depth, which you'll hear shortly. Moving on then into the front end of the vehicle, we've got the tweeters in OEM location. That's the Hertz Mille Legend range. So we've got the Hertz Mille Legend tweeters, and then the 7-inch mid-bases drivers in the bottom of the door. We've also soundproofed the vehicle as well, acoustically deadening it, reducing road noise, but also building a better environment for this new system to work in. But honestly, sounds absolutely bonkers. All the amplifiers are sat behind the actual amp rack and the sub rack behind here. It looks absolutely fantastic in here, but it sounds even better than it looks. So let's have a listen to it. I'm going to play a couple of tracks for you. You guys will be able to hear exactly how this system sounds, but these sorts of things are so much better in person. This is actually a returning client of ours. We previously did this owner of this vehicle, son's car. He was over the moon with it, and he listened to that car as well and was over the moon with the final results of that RS3. But now we're on to the Lamborghini Tecnica. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the absolute bonkers level of sound inside this Huracan Tecnica.
You could say anything,
it's just so good.
Everything, 'cause you said it to the right person and they needed the compliment. But it's in a sickening, you could say you're in love with them.
It just surrounds you in this car. Everything being so tight, so controlled.
Life's funny like that. You lose one thing, get another one back. You thought you knew, but it wasn't a fact. Knowing your whole life, but it was all an act.
It's just the control. Amazing. Sounds so good in here.
So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before.
I don't know how well that's coming across on whatever platform you're watching this on, but it just sounds so controlled in here. Literally kind of gives you goosebumps. So when you've got everything so tight to you, it just makes everything so much more present, so much more powerful in the system. One thing I did touch on earlier is actually our custom panel. So on these Huracan Tecnicas, same as on the Huracans, you'll actually find the volume control is a bit of a pain in the ass to use. Actually, you've got to press this button here, and then you can scroll or you can tap, but it's quite a difficult thing to do. What we've actually built here, so the piano black, gloss black Lamborghini panel that you see across here, what we've actually done is 3D printed, actually resin printed a kind of a mold, if you would, of that panel. So the panel that sits just right below the right vent here, you've actually now got the Audison DRC AC controller. We've color coded that to be red, and what that controller actually allows you to do is a couple of things. One thing is sub-level control, but also if a client would like to, can actually do volume control from that as well. So rather than having to flick through on here, you can actually just scroll a dial like traditionally you would do, rather than having to go into the settings and menu to go into audio. So that is a really cool little thing, and that is actually painted in exactly the same finish, matching really nicely. And then you've got the controller, which is really easy to use, and also control that sub level to knock that back and forth as you please, as you want to turn subs up and down. But overall, absolutely bonkers in here. Let's play something else for you so you can hear how good this system is. And the volume,
girl, I realize all I need
that
is
sub
you.
is just,
I can never get enough. Say she on her way down. Yeah.
just
Always
flows so
down to have
nicely.
a good time. What they gonna say now?
Honestly, it's absolutely breathtaking in this vehicle. Now, not only is the car absolutely superb, but now it's just had that added Cambridge car audio touch to make it inch perfect on this interior. Obviously stunning interior now with that blend. Obviously the vehicle's got lots of carbon fiber in it, that carbon fiber panel down here, the Tecnica badge on the sub, it all just blends in so perfectly with this vehicle. It looks absolutely bonkers and it sounds even better. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video and experienced with me the Huracan Tecnica upgrade. And if you're interested in upgrading your vehicle, you know exactly what to do. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms, or also head over to our website where I've got loads of different packages available for each car. And if you find something on the website or can't find something on the website that suits you and your particular preference of what your budget is or what your spec is, just drop me a line and I'm happy to kind of go through the new options with you. So thank you so much for watching, guys. It's been an absolute honor as always, and another Lamborghini hits the road with the Cambridge car audio treatment.